Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to walk through how can you make your photo move and talk. So if you want to just do it, you need to just install an app. So for that, go to Play Store and search for Mimic. This one, Mimic. Just install this app. I have already installed it. Now I'm gonna open it. After opening this app, you will see something like this. In the bottom left, it is songs. You can just search for, click on search, and you can just search for memes, trending, viral sounds, classics, duet. If you just click on memes like this, and there are a lot of memes that you can make just by your photo, just like this one. In the bottom here, you can see choose from gallery. Click on it, and you need to just choose a photo from a gallery. After choosing the photo, here you can see there will be two options: remove limits and watch the ads. The remove limits is for purchasing, because if you purchase it with money, you can just remove the limit. But if you watch the ad, you can just do it. So I'm watching the ad. You need to just hold on for a few seconds.
Fuck it. Everyone is gonna die. No one is gonna remember.
After waiting for a few seconds, here you can see the photo is talking.
Everyone is gonna die.
You can just save it by clicking this pink save icon, or you can just share this video by clicking share video.
No one is gonna remember you.
So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.